Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. This is just a focus here in this video. I just want to put the focus in this video on the microstructure because Solana has indeed now filled in the 5 waves that I put onto the chart in the last few videos here in the white wave count, which indicates the ongoing correction. So remember that we said that there is a good chance that Solana peaked here in wave 3 on the 16th of November. The price was around $68. We were then tracking a 3-wave pullback, which we call an A wave, in a larger wave 4 correction. We could now be in this B wave. I warned you that we might have to be prepared for a high B wave, because if the A wave is a 3-wave structure, the B wave can be very aggressive. Resistance for the B wave is between $64 and $76, with a few other fib levels in between. This B wave consists again of an A, B, C structure. So B waves do that. They are often 3-wave moves. Sometimes they can also be triangle patterns. So if we take a look at this B wave, then you see here we have potentially 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave A. Any upcoming pullback ideally forms a higher low, and if that's the case, then a C wave rally can occur into resistance. So we've broken above the price channel here. It's not a very well defined one, but we've got 3 touch points here, and actually here. Okay, so we have 3 touch points. But it's not a very well defined one. It's also quite a young one. Nevertheless, we had a bit of a breakout and it made a higher high. These 2 highs. Yeah, the second one is a little higher. So technically 5 waves up. And therefore, I'm now watching any pullback for a corrective pullback. And then if that's the case, it's likely the B wave that in a C wave can send us higher to form this possibly even overshooting B wave. We just have to be prepared for that. And if we form an overshooting B wave, then it needs to be a 3-wave move, and it could react, just zooming out, it could react to the upper boundary line of that trend channel, okay? Possibly for a 3rd time. On the 16th of November, we had already a reaction, but if it pushes again in that region, it seems likely to assume, or reasonable to assume here, another higher high and a high B wave above that level, but only if the high B wave occurs. Again, that's not like a prediction that I tell you this will happen. B waves cannot really be predicted. I'm just highlighting here the risk. And you might ask, okay, why is it a risk if we make another high? Well, it's just for people who are unprepared. People will try to ape in probably at the top of the B wave. And I just highlight, okay, look, just consider that it might be a B wave when that happens. It could also be a 3rd wave extension. But even if it's a 3rd wave extension, basically that top here isn't in yet, then afterwards we should expect a deeper wave 4 correction. So this assumption now that we're dealing with this high B wave is valid as long as the price stays above $51.40, this Tuesday low. And it is likely, because likelihoods change, it is likely as long as the price stays above $53.13. That's the 78.6 retracement level of the rally, you can call it a small rally, that happened between Tuesday and today. Because it's a 5-wave move, in any pullback, ideally we do not see the 78.6 retracement level broken. And if it happens, then it's a warning that something different might be going on here. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.